Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about Corel and math. I've done a couple of videos, but I had a person email me and wanted to know if there was a way to change this, and I don't know, but I just thought I'd give them a little insight. I just do a rectangle and it's 9.147, and it shows 100% on the scale factor. But let's say if you wanted the rectangle 10%, and now it's 109.3. But if you needed, so let's go Control D and make a duplicate of that. And if you needed this rectangle 25% of that one before, you just type in 10 divided by 4 to get you the 25%. And on a side note, if occasionally people send me files and want boxes or rectangles and items made in millimeters, you can actually let's type in 25 mm for millimeters, and it's 0.948 inches. And if we click off that and put it to millimeters, then it's 25 millimeters. And you didn't have to go back and change your settings. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.